Stark, Delaware, Fairfield, Fayette, Franklin, Greene, Hamilton, Hardin, Licking, Logan, Madison, Mercer, Miami, Montgomery, Pickaway, Preble, Shelby, Union, and Warren, and the following counties in Indiana: Dearborn, Fayette, Franklin, Ripley, Union, and Wayne. Slick spots possible this afternoon. A light wintry mix continues to occur this afternoon. Minor ice and snowfall accumulations may develop. While road temperatures are currently near or above freezing, slick spots will be possible on untreated and elevated surfaces. Use caution on bridges, stairs, and sidewalks. Now here is the official national weather.